Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I wanna share my project about how to setting behavior in Figma. Okay, this is my Figma, and I already have two screen for the first is vertical prototype. Okay, like this. Okay, how to setting? Okay, so the first you click your frame, UI frame, and go to prototype. This scroll behavior. You can setting your overflow. The first this no scrolling, and you can change to vertical. Uh, okay, I wanna preview. This is the vertical. Okay, the UI can scroll right, and maybe you want horizontal, the like same. Wait, okay, tutorial is same. You just change to horizontal. Okay, the example for horizontal, you drag, drag to hot screen, and you give the new from. uh, Maybe like this, and the frame you set in prototype, scroll behavior, and horizontal. Okay, so back to screen like this, and the frame you pull from the line. Finish in the line of the mockup. Okay, so I wanna test. Okay, okay, okay. The UI can scrolling. Okay, so maybe you can practice in your Figma and follow my tutorial in my YouTube. Okay, this the for scrolling horizontal and vertical. Okay, maybe that's all for me, and I'm sorry, and I have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.